Let's go, let's play. FIFA lah cekia, cukua Israel. Oh, cukua dare. Maybe, okay. Maybe cekia is not real, but probably cukua is real. We never know, right? FIFA lah cukua. Drake, let's go. Wait. Aduh, bentar. Aduh. Tangannya nyangkut sama baju. Bentar. Aduh. Udah. Dah. All good. Nyangkut gimana? Ya nyangkut aja. Aku tuh kan udah dibilang aku tuh orangnya tuh nggak bisa diem gitu loh tangannya loh. Jadi tuh suka gitu gulung-gulung apa sih? Ini tuh bajunya tuh kegedean gitu kan guys. Ini tuh baju kegedean. Terus aku tuh kayak mainin bajunya terus keiket. Aduh. Kepelintir. Nice. Wait, the controller is not working. Hello. Lah, gimana? Nah, it's working, but it's not working for the game. Hello. Hold on, let me restart this. The typo is real. Cekua. Drake Electric cekua. Wah, really weird. Hold on. Yeah. What is that? What's that? What happened? Wait. Apaan tadi? Apaan sih? Why you guys make me scared? What happened?